In this chapter, we are going to learn three things: how to clear faults, bus statistics, and the record feature. During an active vehicle connection, you'll see an icon lit up in the middle of the screen, Clear Faults. You can clear all faults, however, active faults may reappear if the issue is not repaired. You should only clear faults at the end of the repair process. Click on Clear Faults. For some faults, like this ABS fault for example, clearing the code will turn the lamp on. So you'll get a message reminding you that if the brake system is fixed, the light will turn off after someone drives the vehicle. Another icon available on your toolbar, Bus Statistics. This monitors data transmission down different data buses or protocol and then lists it by system name. When you click on the icon, the Bus Statistics window will pop up with a listing of all available systems. Let's say a particular device isn't communicating on the vehicle. You would pull up the Bus Statistics feature and find that channel associated with that component. Then look at the total number of messages. On that channel, see if the number of messages changes, indicating any activity. If the number of messages is changing and it is not zero, the component is able to use that data bus to communicate. This provides you with a very quick diagnostic tool for looking at data communication-related faults. Last but not least, the record feature. The button will appear when you are connected to a vehicle. The record feature is a manually operated snapshot of the vehicle for up to 20 minutes. Let's say the vehicle you are working on has an issue that pops up only when the vehicle is going 45 miles per hour. If you are using a laptop to run diagnostics, you can hit record and take a road trip and record the data coming from the truck when you hit 45 miles per hour. When you come back to the shop, you can review that data to begin to find the root cause. When you have finished recording, you'll click the same button that will now say Stop Recording, and you'll be given the option to save the log file. If you want to bring up the recording again, go to Vehicle History and click File Open. Once you have located the file and opened it, you can graph the material as if you have a live connection to the vehicle. Remember, all this information is available in the J-Pro User Guide. For more information or to purchase J-Pro, please call our support team or visit us online.